हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। इस वीडियो में हम एमएससी जूलॉजी फोर्थ सेमेस्टर का फर्स्ट पेपर न्यूरोफिजियोलॉजी एंड जनरल फिजियोलॉजी सब्जेक्ट का टॉपिक सर्कुलेशन ऑफ बॉडी फ्लूइड्स एंड इट्स रेगुलेशन एंड स्ट्रक्चर फंक्शन सिंथेसिस एंड कंपोजिशन ऑफ ब्लड एंड ब्लड ग्रुप सिस्टम का स्टडी करेंगे, जिसका इंट्रोडक्शन। The circulation of body fluids is a vital process that ensures the maintenance of homeostasis in animals, including humans. It involves the movement of fluids through a system of vessels, helping in the transportation of nutrients, gases, waste products, and immune cells throughout the body. Blood, one of the key body fluids, is crucial in maintaining physiological balance. This system is highly regulated and play an essential role in the proper functioning of organs and tissue. This essay will discuss the circulation of body fluids, focusing on blood and its structure, function, synthesis, composition, and the blood group system. Circulation of body fluids. Body fluids including blood, lymph, and interstitial fluids circulate through various channels in the body. Circulation is necessary for distributing oxygen, nutrient, hormones, and waste product. Blood circulation occurs through the cardiovascular system, which include the heart, arteries, veins, and capillaries. The heart pumps blood into the arteries, which then distribute it to different tissue via smaller blood vessels known as capillaries. After passing through the tissues, blood returns to the heart through veins. Regulation of circulations. The circulation of body fluid is tightly regulated by several mechanisms that ensure the body's stability. The autonomic nervous systems control heart rate, blood vessels constrictions, and dilations, which help maintain blood pressures. Hormones such as adrenaline and angiotensins also regulate fluid balance, affecting blood flow and pressure. For example, when the body detects low blood pressure, it activates mechanism to increase heart rate and constrict blood vessels to raise the pressures. Structure and functions of blood. Blood is a specialized body fluid that consists of several components, each with a distinct functions. First, plasma. The liquid part of blood composed of water, protein, hormones, nutrient, and waste product. Plasma accounts for about 55% of blood volume and play a key role in transporting substance. Second, red blood cells. These cells, also known as erythrocytes, are responsible for transporting oxygen from the lungs to tissue and returning carbon dioxide from tissue to the lungs from exhalations. They contain the protein hemoglobin, which bind oxygen. Third, white blood cells, also known as leukocytes. These cells are involved in immune response, defending the body against infections and foreign substance. Platelets, small cell fragments that play a crucial role in blood clotting. They prevent excessive blood loss after injury. Synthesis of blood. Blood cell production, also called hematopoiesis, occurs in the bone marrow. Red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets all originates from hematopoietic stem cells in the bone marrow. As these stem cells differentiate, they give rise to various Types of blood cells, with erythrocytes being formed through a process called erythropoiesis. The production of blood cells is regulated by various factors including erythropoietin for RBC production and cytokines for WBC production. In certain conditions such as low oxygen levels, erythropoietin stimulate increased red blood cells productions. Compositions of blood. Blood is composed of first plasma, makes up about 55% of blood volume and contain water 90%, proteins such as albumin, globulins and fibrinogen, electrolytes, gases, hormones and waste product. Second, red blood cells. This constitute around 45% of blood volume in men and slightly lower in women. RBC contain hemoglobin, which allows them to transport oxygen and carbon dioxide. Third, WBC. These make up less than 1% of blood volume and are essential for immune system. Fourth, platelets. Also less than 1% of blood volume, platelets are vital for clotting. Blood group system. Blood group classification is essential in understanding how blood transfusions are done safely. The most common blood group system is the ABO blood group system, based on the presence or absence of antigen A and B on the surface of RBC. There are four main blood groups. Group A has A antigen on RBCs and anti-B antibodies in plasma. Second, Group B has B antigens on RBCs and anti-A antibodies in plasma. Group AB has both A and B antigens on RBCs and no anti-A or anti-B antibodies in plasma. This is the universal recipient blood group. Group O has no A or B antigen on RBCs but has both anti-A and anti-B antibodies in plasma. This is the universal donor group. In addition, the ABO system, the Rh factor, is another important blood grouping system. If the person has the Rh antigen on their red blood cells, they are Rh positive, example A positive, while those who lack the antigen are Rh negative, example O negative. The compatibility of the ABO and Rh systems is crucial for safe blood transfusions, organ transplants and pregnancy. Conclusion. In conclusion, the circulation of body fluids, especially blood, is essential for the proper functioning of the body. Blood circulates through a well-coordinated system that delivers nutrient and oxygen to tissue while removing waste products. Its components include plasma, red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Each serve specific roles in maintaining health. The synthesis of blood is a complex process regulated by the bone marrow and various signaling molecules. Understanding blood composition and the blood group system is critical for medical procedures such as transfusions and require compatibility between donor and recipients. Overall, the regulations of body fluid circulation is crucial to maintaining homeostasis and overall health. References.